because it disperses so easily. So when you eat this oil, it causes the blood to thin. It disperses on the skin. It's a lovely oil to take via mouth, so you get nice supple skin. The body loves using this omega-3 for cell membrane function and repair.
In this video, you'll discover a hidden health risk in your diet that could be silently damaging your heart and brain while uncovering an incredible secret about omega-3s that most people overlook with expert Barbara O'Neill. Stay with us because every moment unlocks a longer, vibrant life.
There are many different messages on fats. So many. So what I'd like to do today, I'd like to show you the molecular structure of fats. You see, when you understand the molecular structure of fats, then you begin to understand how the body uses it. You begin to understand why the body uses it in that way. So you will never again be swayed by popular opinion on should we eat fats, what are the best fats, what are the bad fats. I'm going to begin by showing you the omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 is a fat that we hear a lot of, and the reason for that is that it's an essential fatty acid. You might often see it written like this, EFA, essential fatty acid. What essential means is that the body cannot make it, you have to put it in.
Fats play an essential role in various bodily functions, not just energy storage. For example, fat is critical for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are important for vision, bone health, immune function, and protecting the body's cells from oxidative damage. Additionally, specific types of fats, particularly unsaturated fats, have been linked to lowering LDL cholesterol, which can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Omega-3 fatty acids, for instance, have been widely researched for their benefits in reducing inflammation, which is a key factor in chronic diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and even certain cancers. According to the American Heart Association, replacing saturated fats with unsaturated fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by improving blood lipid profiles and decreasing inflammation levels. Studies on populations with high omega-3 consumption, such as in Japan, demonstrate lower rates of heart disease. A simple way to incorporate healthier fats, like omega-3s, into your diet is by adding ground flaxseed to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. You can also use olive oil for cooking and dressings instead of butter or other saturated fat sources. These small dietary changes can significantly contribute to heart health and overall wellness.
Whenever you read the word essential, that's what it means. And what are we told is the highest source of omega-3? Fish. And yet no creature can put omega-3 into their fatty acid chain, only plants can. So why are fish so high? Because fish are eating a one-celled algae that is high. So you can do superior to fish oil. You can get your omega-3 by foods, by plant foods. Flaxseed is the highest source of omega-3. Flaxseed and linseed are basically the same thing. Chia seed is the second highest source of omega-3. What I'd like to show you now is why it is so important in the body. Omega-3 is an 18-chain fatty acid. This is the molecular structure of omega-3.
Aside from flaxseed and chia seeds, there are other excellent plant-based sources of omega-3 that can fit into various diets. Walnuts, hemp seeds, and algae oil are also high in omega-3 and can easily be incorporated into meals. Algae oil in particular is becoming more popular as a supplement, offering a sustainable, plant-based alternative to fish oil without the risk of contaminants, like mercury. Omega-3 intake has been linked to brain health, with studies suggesting that people who consume more omega-3 have a lower risk of cognitive decline as they age. According to Harvard Health Publishing, omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA and EPA, found in both fish and algae, play a vital role in maintaining the structure and function of the brain. Regular consumption is associated with a lower risk of depression, ADHD in children, and Alzheimer's disease in the elderly. Research from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, has shown that diets rich in omega-3 can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases by lowering blood pressure and reducing triglyceride levels. The ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, in flaxseed and chia seeds can be converted in the body into the more active EPA and DHA forms, although this process is less efficient, making supplementation or a varied diet important.
There are 19 trillion of these in one drop of oil, so that's the magnification that we're looking at. Notice that there are hydrogen atoms either side, and right in the middle they are linked together by carbon atoms. What the three means that at the third carbon atom there's a double bond. So let's count this. 1, 2, 3. The double bond means that instead of one link, there are two links. And whenever you get a double bond, these hydrogen atoms go, and the hydrogen atoms underneath develop an electromagnetic field between them. As a result, they start to repel each other, and that causes a kink in the chain because of this repelling action. In omega-3, or the omega-3 found in flaxseed and linseed, there are 3 double bonds. So 1, 2, 3, we've got another one there, 1, 2, 3, and we have another one there. So these double bonds are gone.
Omega-3's unique molecular structure with its double bonds gives it special characteristics that help protect the body from inflammation. These double bonds are known to provide fluidity to the cell membranes, which enhances their function. Additionally, omega-3's structure allows it to be a powerful precursor to anti-inflammatory molecules called resolvins, which the body uses to turn off the inflammatory response after an injury or infection. This anti-inflammatory role is why omega-3 is often recommended for people suffering from autoimmune conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis or lupus. The Mayo Clinic highlights that omega-3's ability to reduce inflammation comes from its role in producing eicosanoids, which are hormones that help regulate immune responses. Studies show that higher intakes of EPA and DHA can lead to lower levels of markers of inflammation, such as C-reactive protein, CRP. To enhance the benefits of omega-3, consider pairing plant-based sources with a diet rich in antioxidants like fruits and vegetables. This combination helps to further reduce inflammation in the body. For instance, adding berries rich in antioxidants to a chia seed pudding can provide a powerful, nutrient-dense meal.
These hydrogen atoms are gone, and the electromagnetic field is happening underneath. This causes 3 kinks in the chain. Number 2 kink, number 3 kink, causing the oil to be a very fluid oil. It's a very thin oil because of its 3 double bonds. What do they paint cricket bats with? With linseed oil, because it disperses so easily. So when you eat this oil, it causes the blood to thin. It disperses on the skin. It's a lovely oil to take via mouth, so you get nice supple skin. The body loves using this omega-3 for cell membrane function and repair.
The unique structure of omega-3's double bonds not only affects its fluidity, but also makes it more susceptible to oxidation. This is why it's important to store omega-3 rich foods properly, away from light and heat, to prevent them from going rancid. Consuming oxidized fats can be harmful, as they can contribute to oxidative stress, leading to cell damage. It's always recommended to consume fresh sources of omega-3 or use supplements that are stabilized with antioxidants like vitamin E to prevent oxidation. A study published by PubMed shows that omega-3 fatty acids are highly prone to oxidation, and consuming rancid oils can negate their health benefits. This research stresses the importance of proper storage and the use of antioxidants to preserve the integrity of omega-3 oils. To extend the shelf life of flax seeds or chia seeds, store them in an airtight container in the fridge or freezer. Adding a small amount of vitamin E oil to homemade salad dressings made with flaxseed oil can also help prevent oxidation.
So the name given to this oil is a polyunsaturated fatty acid. Poly meaning more than one double bond. Unsaturated because there are 3 empty spots on the fatty acid chain. Let's have a look at the effect of the double bonds in the body. They create an electromagnetic field. That's important for us because we are electrical people. There's a spark of electricity in every cell of the body. And specifically, our electrical system is our nervous system. So it's a great brain food.
Omega-3's fluidity plays a crucial role in maintaining cell membrane flexibility, which is vital for cell communication and nutrient transport. This fluidity is particularly important in neurons where it aids in the efficient transmission of signals. Omega-3 also plays a role in improving memory and cognitive function, with some studies showing that higher omega-3 intake correlates with slower cognitive decline in aging adults. Furthermore, omega-3 has been shown to improve mood and decrease symptoms of depression, likely due to its positive effects on neurotransmitter function and brain cell health. Research from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, indicates that omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for brain health, particularly DHA, which makes up a significant portion of the brain's structure. Adequate intake has been linked to reduced symptoms of depression and better overall cognitive health, particularly in older adults. A study published in PubMed demonstrated that older adults who supplemented with omega-3s showed improved brain function and reduced brain shrinkage compared to those who did not. This suggests that regular omega-3 intake may help preserve brain structure and function as we age. Your presence here is so important, and I'm grateful for every minute you invest in your health. Subscribe to the channel, and if you've made it to the end, comment. I'm committed to my longevity. Let's keep evolving together on this vibrant journey toward better health.